In this exercise, I'm carrying on using the Chapter 10 Modifying Ducts project file located in your Chapter 10 folder. If you've kept your file open from the previous exercise, you'll notice that there are some subtle changes with regards to the appearance of this view. Firstly, there's the thin line tool. This allows me to show thin lines, although when I print, we will get the right pen weight. The other one was for scale. If I change the scale of the view and scroll back in, you'll see that my line type definitions have changed to match the scale of the view. On our duct layout, we have several options for adding and manipulating fittings and accessories. Let's take this duct fitting, the oval to round transition. I don't actually need to change the fitting to reduce the size of the duct. I can select the duct, change its diameter, and the fitting changes to suit. From the Systems tab, I've got the option to add duct accessories and add duct fittings. Let's start with accessories. Here I've got a control damper. Before I go to place the damper, let's look at the Properties palette. In here, we've got level 2 with an offset of 0. So if I place this in plan and then look at my section, we'll find that the damper has been placed on the ground. If I go back to the Duct Accessory tool and I place that same damper hovering over the top of a duct, not only does it break the duct, it places the damper at the right offset from the level. And we can see that in section. Let's go back to the plan view. The duct accessory can be moved and it stretches the duct with it. If it's deleted, the duct heals. If I split the duct by clicking on Modify and using the Split tool, Revit places the rectangular duct union in rectangular duct. Revit knows to use this particular object, as if I select the duct and edit its type, we'll see that under Routing Preferences, the union is defined. The fittings are extremely versatile as well. If I select an elbow, Revit shows me the elbow, but I'm also given these little crosses that can turn the elbow into a T. Click on the minus sign and it turns it back into an elbow again. Again, this is all controlled through the duct properties and in the routing preferences for that particular duct type. All these fittings and accessories can be exchanged for one another. If I select the union, it can be changed for different unions. If I select an elbow, it can be changed for a different type of elbow. If you don't have the right fittings loaded into your project, you can go and load them from either your library or the standard library.